Good morning everybody, and this is your Dow Jones day trade setup for today. So first things first, we have had a pretty decent pullback, and we have also broken the channel. Now obviously I'd like to see some structure before even committing to a short in this market, and that is not on offer at the moment. So as far as I'm concerned, yes, we've broken the channel, but the trend is still up. Okay, so what we're looking for is there any area, that's not going to work. So we're looking for any area where there is an opportunity for us to create a bigger channel, a wider channel firstly, and secondly, what kind of support do we have. So first level of support we are at the moment, we are flirting with it. I'm not entirely happy with that, so we're just going to have a look at that on the lower time frames. Oscillators are pointing to the downside. They've eased off quite a bit. Now that's a fairly good sign at the moment. So obviously, we're still scope to move another leg down, but we do have a pretty good amount of support here. Now, one thing to bear in mind, have a look at, you've got the buyers coming in, and then you've got this green pin bar. So the two bars that have happened now, this is all after hours. Look at my oscillator on the 3 hour. I'm still above the moving averages. So there is a little area right there which we tagged. Okay, so that is structure as well. And then we have, I'm just going to get the next one off our, I'm looking for a third level, and it's right here staring at us in the face, which is right there. Now we could probably drop a little bit lower as well. Okay, so the next thing to do is just have a look for some round numbers. So firstly, we are at 33.7, 33.680, and 33.630. So that's the structure to the left. Look to the left, and you can see there was quite a bit of range trading here for 2 days, 3 days basically. We're back in this area. Oscillators are gripped to the downside, moving averages have crossed over. But on the high time frame, we are definitely still moving to the upside. So have a look at the hour here. So you had this move. This was the area that I was looking to buy off. Didn't quite materialize. Stop would have been taken out here. I didn't take the trade because I wasn't quite happy with what I was seeing. But that was the area that I was looking at day before yesterday. And we did break through. We've got a pin bar, and then we have an engulfing bar. Okay, so that's first solid pattern. Then we have a sort of exhaustion bar to a level, and then another engulfing bar going into close. So that could be profit taking. Okay, we are in earnings season, but for me at the moment, this is something well worth watching, and we are now going to switch to the 15-minute because that is where I think you're going to get the most structure at the moment. So moving averages are pointing to the downside, so, and they're quite far apart. So at the moment, whatever happens, if there's any move coming to the upside, it's going to be, it's going to take its time. So what you're looking for is you're looking for structure, breaks, and at the moment there's your triangle consolidation to be expected after hours. I would be, well, the first thing I'd be looking at is 33.814. If we can get above that and test it, that would start getting me interested. And I'm just going to add one more level here because there is another level just above it. And you can see, I just moved to the left, you'll see it lines up with a more consolidation from some time ago. But look at this consolidation on the moving averages. The moving averages are below it, prices on the left of the moving averages, trend is up. This one here, prices not on, well, it's to the left of the moving averages, okay, and pointing down, we are pointing to the downside, so, or you can say underneath the moving averages, but you get what I'm saying. You always want price on the left, and you want to trade in that direction. So we don't want to be going long here at this stage. Okay, so this is the area I think I want to be watching. That is 33.841. If we can get a break and retest to that area, good area to be long with a stop below the low of today or below the low of tomorrow. I'm just going to I need to add another line here, guys. It's going to make it a little bit more messy. But here is a double bottom. In actual fact, delete that line. Let's do this. So there is a double bottom. Okay, you can see first leg down and then second leg down. No diversions to go with it, but that is a double bottom. So break and retest of that takes us back into this area up here. So that's kind of what I'm looking for. I'm still looking for an opportunity to buy into this. The trend is up. There's no reason to be looking to sell, but I need to wait for structure. So we could still get another breakdown and sort of come and test these levels here. Alternatively, we could just come to this area here, which is 33,724, and then that will give me some kind of a rounding bottom, inverse head and shoulders type pattern. But again, it still comes back to this level here, 33,841. That's what we want to see break and retest, and only then do we want to start looking for opportunities to get into this. Okay, now just bear in mind the moving averages at the moment are fairly far apart and pointing down, and I've created a complete mess of my charts, but you get the picture. There's a lot of support to the left here. So you could still break down and find support at any one of these levels. So you need to be on your toes at the moment. Okay, so it's wait and see, wait for the structure, and then we will look for the opportunities to get in. If I see it, I will give it to you in the Telegram channel. Hope it helps, and we'll catch you later. Cheers for now.